Welcome back to the Crypto Father channel. I am the Crypto Father and today is the 8th of February. It's a Thursday and tomorrow is a holiday here. It's Solal, or the Chinese or Korean New Year's, which is celebrated here locally in South Korea. In today's video, I'm going to do a deep dive into the Meowcoin world. I'm going to look at what Meowcoin is, why I think it's got potential, why it's valuable, where it's at, and where it may be going. So make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, stick around till the very end of the video. If you have any questions, then please make sure to leave them in the comment section below. I know that there are some people on the channel who are complaining and who are very curious to find out why Meowcoin is so cheap per coin right now, and all that stuff. So hopefully I'll be able to answer some of the questions right now in this video. So let's go. If you go to the Meowcoin, meowcrypto.com website, I'm happy to see, first of all, I'm happy to see that the sombrero cat is back on the main Meowcoin website, because it's a cool looking cat. The main website is Meow Crypto, or MEWC crypto.com, where you can find all the details and all the information necessary to understand what Meowcoin is. The Meowcoin mission, just like humans, animals have been impacted by the pandemic since 2020. Many cats who found homes during this time have needed to be rehomed due to their owners not being able to care for them. Many organizations to devote themselves to the care and relocation of these pets have been inundated with animals needing love and a new house to call their own. Sadly, they simply don't have the funds to care for them all. Our mission is to donate as much money as we can to animal shelters so they can care for as many animals as possible and give each one of them a chance at a happy life. Meowcoin is a project aiming at taking care of the stray animals that have been impacted mainly by the pandemic 2022, but not only that, obviously, but also aiming to take care of stray animals that are homeless for whatever reason. And they have been doing that by sending out weekly donations to the animal shelters in the sum of $500. So every week Meowcoin sends $500 to animal shelters across the globe. They partner up with several organizations and they send $500 on a weekly basis to them. The $500 is taken out of the Meowcoin mining blocks, to which all the miners contribute on a daily basis. So far, Meowcoin has donated over $40,000 worth of support to these animal shelters since its inception in 2022. Meowcoin is partnered up with Forgotten Animals, Heavenly Pets, Dog and Cat of Edinburgh, Feeding Pets of the Homeless, and Animal Rescue Corps. This is the most recent addition to the project, and Flux Labs, which is not really an animal rescue place, but it's working with Flux for development, for further development and such. So the animal rescues are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelters right now that are receiving donations on a weekly basis from the blocks mined on Meowcoin. And Meowcoin is a fair launched proof of work project. From the get-go, from the very first block that was mined on Meowcoin, let me just go to the Explorer. If you go to Explorer, the first block was mined on October, it's not even showing up here. Let's go to Gecko. First block was mined October 9th, 2022. So since the very first block mined, a portion of each block has been donated to a wallet that is used to make donations to the animal shelters. Each block mines 5,000 Meowcoin right now, and 2,000 Meowcoin out of the 5,000 is sent to the donation addresses, which are then sent to the animal shelters, converted into Litecoin, and then sent in the form of Litecoin to the animal shelters. Meowcoin is a circulating supply of 21 billion, or max supply of 21 billion coins. Total supply and circulating supply are the same. Right now, there are 3 billion coins that have been mined already. For those who are very interested in the price, Meowcoin is launched at a price of 0.001 and has had some pumps to 0.019 in shortly thereafter after launch, and it also saw a pump in April of 2022 to when it went up to 0.018, and right now it's sitting at a very low price of 0.0017. The all-time high is at 0.021, all-time low at quadruple 1 2 3 4 499. So the stretch is quite big. It's 243% up since December 2022. Total market cap right now is at 633,000 on CoinGecko, but actually I think that CoinGecko and market cap, the coin market cap, don't represent the numbers accurately. What to mine is a bit of a better has a bit of a better assessment of the prices. So right now the market cap is at $549,813, and the hash rate on the network is 49 gigahash, which again is not very big right now. The number of addresses keeps climbing continuously, which is good to see. It means that the adoption or the use case numbers are increasing. There's more and more people opening addresses, starting addresses for the Meowcoin. And partially the reason for why Meowcoin is the price of Meowcoin is so low is because of the hash rate. Right now the hash rate is at 50 gigahash per second. It was at 87 gigahash per second, which was much higher, and the price was much higher during that time. This was November 2023. November 23, if you look on Zegex, was the time when Meowcoin hit another high for the year. So the price depends on the hash rate, meaning more miners involved, the price climbs. Why is that important? Meowcoin has just updated its core wallet to the 1.0.7 version, and they are working on releasing a new algo. There's going to be an mining algo update of the Cow Pow algorithm, which is aiming at introducing a lowered electricity consumption. Our third update is that Meow Pow work is fully underway. For the execution of this, we need help from you to ensure the network converts over and we don't split the chain. Once the Meow Pow algo change is done, we'll set a block height that it becomes active on. The Meowcoin team will reach out to every exchange and pool to get them to switch over. This should ensure the network continues, but we also need you, the miner, to support us in this endeavor and upgrade when the next update comes out. Why is this important? Because the Cow Pow algo is quite energy hungry. What the Meowcoin team is working on is Meow Pow algo, which is going to decrease the energy consumption and so increase the profits, which means that a lot of miners will most likely be moving to Meow Pow because it'll be more profitable to mine Meowcoin. And essentially what drives the initial progress of any mineable coin are the miners. When you look at Bitcoin, the first people who are adopting Bitcoin were the miners. Those are the people who are basically securing the blockchain and developing and building the ecosystem for Bitcoin, however small it may be. Meow Pow will do the same thing for Meowcoin right now. As soon as all the updates are completed, this algo will be released, and it's being tested right now as we speak. So that's going to be a massive game changer. Right now Meowcoin is listed on a bunch of exchanges. It's listed on Zegex, it's listed on non-KYC, StakeCube, Trade Ogre, P2B, and other exchanges like that. And there's a bunch of other exchanges who are interested in Meowcoin, and so we can see big things happening for it. However, because Meowcoin is a ground up project, the developers of the project have not been investing a lot of money into it. They didn't come in with millions of dollars, and they have not been throwing cash at it. So the aim is to have Meowcoin be listed on exchanges without the expenses of listings. The team prefers to use the money that is being sent to them on a weekly basis, to use that money for donations for the causes that they set out for, not to blow it on listings, because their main goal is not to have the coin skyrocketing in prices, although that's of course something everyone hopes for, but it is not the main goal. The money that is usually spent on having a coin listed on an exchange, it is better used in this case to further the project and to, like I said, to do what the project sets out to do, which is help the animal shelters. So the team is not allocating huge amounts of money towards listing on exchanges. However, some exchanges are becoming more interested, and the team has been receiving has been contacted by other exchanges to be listed. As a matter of fact, I dug on the internet a little bit, and there's a listing on Binance. Now this coin is not listed on Binance for trade and service, but it is listed on the Binance's website for price. So it's listed here on Binance under coins of interest, and I guess right now there isn't much interest because actually there are no votes. Somebody voted bad. That's too bad. I voted good. It's not showing up though, which is unfortunate. Okay, just refresh the screen. We're good. So my suggestion is to go over to this page. I'm going to post this below the link of the video. Head on over there and vote good. If you support Meowcoin, let Binance know that you're interested in seeing Meowcoin listed. This weird chart, this is CoinMarketCap. Now CoinMarketCap, I don't know what the frick is up with these guys. They can't get their stuff straight. No idea what's happening here, but basically CoinMarketCap is listing Meowcoin to be $1,727, $1,727, which is why some people on the channel were commenting that Meowcoin is a scam because it listed at this price and then dumped. No, this is an algorithm, or this is CoinMarketCap just mucking about and not being able to get their algo straight here. Okay, you go to Gecko and you can see the price as it appears, and it's fine. CoinMarketCap can get their shit straight, and so it looks messy like that, but so bizarre. So yeah, if you scroll down, if you go past this period of algorithm here, it's fine. So on CoinMarketCap, price was listed at 999. It pumped over here. There's a pump, and then we get to this spot where it gets so wonky. So let's go past that. If you scroll past that, the price normalizes again. Hopefully, no. Okay, it's still a bit wonky, but it's not $1,000. So there you go. So what you should do is head over to this website. I'm gonna post that below the video, like I said, and hit that good button and let them know that you are interested in the Meowcoin price. Actually, I'm gonna share that on Twitter. All right, there you go. So head on over and hit that thing. Let Binance know what's up. All right, so going back to the Meowcoin Explorer. Right now there are 3,700,000,000 token or coins that have been mined so far. Some of the coins are being burned through, I don't know what it means and I don't know what processes. Burn coins, let's have a look. So there have been 2 million coins burned, which means that we're 2 million coins short. But of course that, you know, makes it for an increase in or decrease in supply, and hopefully an increase in demand. And so hopefully we're going to see things happening. But Meowcoin is also a deflationary coin, which means that every 4 years it's going to be halved. So right now the blocks are 5,000 Meowcoin per year per block, which is going to continue for the next 2 years. I guess Meowcoin's been just celebrated its first year in October, past October. So this is the second year ongoing. So I guess 2.5, or I guess 3 more years, right, to go before the first halving, at which point Meowcoin, there would be only 2,500 Meowcoins per block. I found an interesting website here, which is called Coin Codex, and they apparently do predictions. And so the predictions for the price, long-term Meowcoin predictions for 2025, 26, 27 are not looking all that great. So 2025, the prediction is to be at 000146 and a high at 0038. 2026, it's going to 0012, but it remains within the same category. By 2030, it's supposed to be 0016. Now, keep in mind that these predictions are based on the sentiment right now. So the sentiment right now is bearish, mainly because there isn't much action. Most of the people right now who are using Meowcoin are miners. There isn't a lot of trading going on because it's still a relatively unknown coin. That's the whole deal. This is why the market cap is still below $1 million, because most of the people who are involved in Meowcoin are miners. There aren't too many people who are trading. Some of the miners are trading themselves, but the volume for the trading of Meowcoin is still very low comparatively. And so this data does not take into account things like the updates, the update of Cowpow to Meowpow, the additional of new improvements, changes, and all these things. So this predictor only looks at the data available online, not really at what's happening in the background. So in the end, is it worth to be investing into this coin? I'm not telling you to do, but it might be worthwhile. If you are interested in helping animals, then definitely get into mining, because that's what it's about. Meowcoin is here to help animals and people, of course. They support the animal shelters, which can continue to function without having to close down, and hopefully provide people who are in need of animals who help pets, who need pets. They provide people with the opportunity to adopt a pet for their own comfort. And so that's why I'm involved in the project, and I like the underdogs. It's a brand new project. It's still very new. It's very low for the price tag, and what it actually does, the fact that it's partnered up with Rhubarb Media is phenomenal. It's huge. Rhubarb Media is the social media guru that helped Kaspa reach its whatever their $1 billion valuation. And so Rhubarb Media has joined with Meowcoin, and they're working together to promote Meowcoin and to develop Meowcoin into its full potential. So that's very important, and we're going to see more and more things coming out on social media to support Meowcoin. Again, I'm not saying you should invest, because investing in crypto is a risky business. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, obviously. But in the bull run, which is coming up, in the bull run, everything goes up, and Meowcoin is bound to go up. And with the price tag of 0016 right now, it's guaranteed to make you 100x at least, or whatever the multiplier, to make you a 10x, to make you 10x, not 100x, 10x at least. So for $100, you can make yourself $1,000. For $1,000, you can make yourself $10,000. That's how it would go. I'm invested, and a lot of people are invested. I'm not saying you should, but it's something to consider. If you're looking to make gains, this low cap gem is definitely something to look forward to, because unlike a lot of other coins or tokens that are making their promises that they never fulfill, Meowcoin is actually working on something that is going to help a lot of people, a lot of animals, and is used in the real world, which is very different from most of the projects out there, and what most projects out there can say. So that's it. That's a short summary of what the Meowcoin project is. I hope this was semi coherent, and I hope that you got some information out of it. Make sure to check out the link below. I'm going to post a link to Binance. Hop on over and let them know that you're interested in Meowcoin, that you feel good about it. And make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and of course come back tomorrow for another video on the Crypto Father channel. In the meantime, stay frosty, stay away from scams, be safe out there, don't lose your bags. Peace.